Yes, you can see here. If I click on the XML, so I need to get which data? XML file data. So you can see over here name, latitude, longitude, temperature and humidity. The next record is of the place is Gadak, then latitude, longitude, temperature and humidity. Now if I click on the JSON data, I need to receive the JSON data. Name, latitude, longitude, temperature and the humidity and the next key value pair of the data. If you want to change any of the data on the key name, latitude, longitude or the other information, so if you go to the JSON file, whichever you want to change the data can be changed from this. As well as in the XML, the tag names are same, the data can be changed by the user. So if I change here to the Bangalore, if I change here the name as the Bangalore, then if I run again the same, if I click on the XML parser application, I need to receive the name as the Bangalore over here. Yeah, now again it will be building with a Gradle. It is taking time for the installation of that. Now the activity is launched. After changing the city.xml file information, if I click on XML, so the changed information should be available on the parser application. See, the name is Bangalore. Before it was a BL. Now I have changed to the Bangalore of the name in this XML file. So if I click on XML data, the name is been updated. So this is going to tell about the parcel application data by using the Android Studio in the mobile application development laboratory. Thank you all.